Look, children, we're finally here. Welcome to the fun fair. I love the fun fair. The fun fair is the best thing in the world. Yes.
Wait, James. I don't want you to get lost, okay? We all stay together.
I want cotton candy.
And I want to go on the rides.
Of course, we will do everything. Look, a dart game.
Can you pop a balloon, Daddy?
Yes. Welcome to the game. The rules are simple. You throw a dart to hit a balloon. Pop the balloon and you win a prize. Watch me, my friends call me the Dart Master. Bravo!
Mia, do you want to give it a try?
No, I prefer the duck fishing game, Mom.
Now, it is your turn, James.
But the balloons are far, and I am small.
You're big enough, son.
You can do it. Look at the blue balloon.
Okay, Mom. Here I go.
Watch the balloon! Ha! Good job! Here is your prize!
I won! I am so happy! Good job! You won a prize. Which one do you want?
I want the teddy bear.
The teddy bear it is.
Oh, a dog! Wait, I follow you. Look, duck fishing. So fun. I try to catch one. Oh, it moves. This one, I think. Yes! Got it!
Which color do you want? Red? Pink? Green crocodile?
I want the bear blue. I won the bear!
And you, Mia, do you want? Mia? Where is she?
I don't know. Look, Mommy! Mommy? Where are you? I'm scared. Oh no, I am lost. Mom, where are you? I can't see them. I need a better view. I am scared. I need to find my parents. I will go up this tower. I hope to see them. I am too high. I can't see anything.
I didn't find it.
What if we go to the Ferris wheel?
Mia, where are you?
Mom, Dad, where are you?
I'm lost.
I found her. She just went into the mirror house. Mom, Dad, James, where are you?
I'm scared.
Mia? It's you?
Mia? Where are you? Mia?
I'm here! We are coming!
We are happy we found you. Where were you?
I'm sorry.
If you get lost, find a policeman or a responsible person, okay?
Yes, I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
Come on. It's time to go to the exit.
Now we are all lost.
Maybe to the left?
No, to the right.
I'm scared.
It's okay. Let's go.
Oh, I know. We need to find the police or someone in charge.
Welcome to the circus. Please come in and enjoy the show. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes, the clowns will be here.
I'm so happy. Me too. I want to see the clowns.
Yes, and the animals too. It's the best. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the circus. Now, meet our amazing clowns.
They are so funny!
Meet our clowns.
This is our unicycle clown. Hello, I ride fast.
And now the show.
Hello! Welcome to the show!
We are the clowns. Look at us juggle.
Yay! More confetti! I love juggling! Me too! And unicycling! This is so fun! The crowd loves it!
Look, the clowns are funny.
Yes, they are. The big one is red.
And the small one is yellow.
I like them.
Now, this is the horse. Horse, come here. Good horse. Stand still. Go left. Now, go right. Rear up. The show is finished. My horse was very good. Goodbye.
Wow, look,
Yes, the clown.
So funny. Yay!
For us.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
See you soon!
subscribe.